Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain mesh analysis. What is mesh analysis? Mesh analysis is a combination of Kirchhoff's voltage law and Ohm's law. In this video I am going to explain mesh analysis with one problem. Find the currents I1, I2, I3 and I4 using mesh analysis. Here in this problem, it consists of 4 loops. Loop number 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is loop or mesh? Loop or mesh is the closed path. How to solve this problem? So first, the step number 1. What is step number 1? Mark the current and this direction. I am assumed all the currents are in clockwise direction. Okay, this is the first loop. The direction of current is clockwise and the current assumed here is I1. For the second loop, direction of current is clockwise. The current assumed is I2. For the third loop, direction of current is clockwise and the current assumed is I3. And fourth loop, direction of the current is clockwise and assumed current is I4. Next step, I am going to write the equation for loop 1, loop 2, loop 3 and loop 4 using Kirchhoff's voltage law. So what is step number 2? Write the equation using KVL. First consider loop 1. Loop 1 consists of 4 ohm resistor and 1 voltage source. How to write the equation using mesh analysis? So first consider this resistor 4 ohm. So from Ohm's law, what is the voltage drop? 4 into I1. So write 4 into I1. Then consider this resistance 4 ohm. It shares the currents I1 and I2. But how to write the equation? With respect to I1, you have to write the equation. So 4 into I1 minus I2. And next consider the third resistance also 4. With respect to I1, write the equation. So 4 into I1 minus I3, that is equal to voltage rise 10. Now I am going to reduce the equation. 4I1, 4, here also 4. So 12I1 minus 4I2 and here minus 4I3 equal to 10. This is the equation number 1. And next consider the loop 2. In a loop 2, see the 2 ohm resistor. Current flowing through is I2. So 2 into I2. Next consider the next 2 ohm. Here also current is I2. So again 2I2. Then consider the 4 ohm. It is shared by the currents I1 and I2. But with respect to I2 only, we have to write the equation. So 4 into I2 minus I1, that is equal to voltage rise 20. Now I am going to reduce the equation. So 2I2, 2I2 and 4I2, that gives 8I2. Here minus 4I1, that is equal to 20. And next consider the loop 3. See in the loop 3, first 3, so 3 into I3. The current flowing through 3 ohm is I3. And consider 4 ohm. So in a 4 ohm, it shared the current I3 and I1. But with respect to I3 only, we can write the equation. So 4 into I3 minus I1. So here voltage drop and here voltage rise. So voltage rise is positive 30. Drop is negative minus 10. So minus 4I1 plus 7I3 equal to 20. And next I am going to consider the loop 4. In a loop 4 we are having two 2 ohm resistances. But both the resistances same current is flowing. So 2I4 plus 2I4. Here voltage rise, here voltage drop. So 10 minus 20. So 4 into I4 equal to what? Minus 10. What is I4? Minus 10 divided by 4, that is 2.5 ampere. So one of the answer is over. Next I am going to find out three currents, I1, I2 and I3. Okay, see again I have to write the three currents. 12I1 minus 4I2 minus 4I3 equal to 10, minus 4I1 plus 8I2 equal to 20, minus 4I1 plus 7I3 equal to 20. So take the equation number 1. Multiply the equation number 1 with 2. That gives 24I1 minus 8I2 minus 8I3 equal to 20. Take this equation as equation number 4. Now, equation number 4 is added with equation number 2. We'll get the new equation, that is 20I1. Here both are get cancelled. Minus 8I3 equal to 40. Why we do like this? In order to find out the answer I3. Next I am going to take the equation number 3, that is multiplied with 5. So minus 20I1 plus 35I3 equal to 100. Now both the equations are added together. I will get the answer 27I3 equal to 140. So what is I3? That is 140 divided by 27. That is 5.185 ampere. Next what I have to do? Substitute the value of I3 in equation 3. Already we are having the equation 3 minus 4I1 plus 7 into this value 5.185, that is equal to 20. Now minus 4I1 equal to 20 minus 36.295. So it is answer minus 16.295. So it is I1 minus 16.295 divided by minus 4, that is equal to 4.074 ampere. Next, substitute the value of I1 in equation number 2. Then only we get the value I2. So minus 4 into 4.074 plus 8I2 equal to 20. So 8I2 equal to 20 plus 16.295, that is equal to 36.295. Now what is I2? 36.295 divided by 8, that is 4.537 ampere. That's all. In this way we can solve the problem using mesh analysis. Here this is the ordinary method of solving. You have to use the matrix method of solving to find the equation. So what are the results? The currents I1 4.074, I2 is 4.537, I3 is 5.185 and I4 I get the answer minus 2.5. Here I have assumed direction for I4 is wrong. Remaining all the currents, the assumed direction is correct. That's all. This is the way to solve the problem using mesh analysis. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.